How to find your saved videos on TikTok. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can find saved videos on TikTok. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to launch TikTok application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're on your home page, navigate to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. Once you land on your profile page, on this interface, there is a menu bar with an option such as draft, your private videos, your repost, and on next to that, there is a bookmark icon. Tap on it. So under this tab, you will find all your saved videos, and this includes your videos, post, collection, sounds, effects, product, playlist, etc. So here, tap on the videos that you want to see. And in this way, you can find your saved videos on TikTok. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.